This video is a short description of how I made a tenor ukulele. I made it in honor of the SV Seeker, a steel vessel being built by Doug Jackson in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This is one of the most amazing websites I've seen on the web. It's, as Doug says, the boat the internet built. I placed a link to his website in the description. This is a metal pipe and a heat gun for bending the sides of the ukulele. This is a form for keeping the shape of the sides while they dry. Using the bandsaw to cut strips and then slots to make the kerfing. Wedges for gluing up wood strips for the top and bottom. Adding a wooden brace to glue the two halves together. Gluing on the kerfing. Gluing on the bottom planks. Trimming the bottom to fit the body. Tracing your logo for wood burning. Adding braces. Sawing out the neck on the bandsaw. Carving the neck. Gluing on the neck. Gluing on the top. After making the fretboard, gluing it onto the neck and body. Painting on white primer for pictures to adhere to. Airbrushing the bottom edge. Line drawing burned into the tuner head. Random photos pasted onto the sides and top. Then varnished or actually lacquered to finish off the project. Okay, well, here it is, all finished, and I tried to break it in the best I can. I'm not a very good player, but I'll give it a try. Here we go. Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. You have made my life complete, and I love you so. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfill. For my darling, I love you, and I always will. Thank you very much. This is a mermaid I carved some time ago. I made a mold and then cast it in fiberglass. Roman numeral 41, the name of my canoe. It's row well and live. Ben-Hur's seat number on the galley. This is where I go to Hawaii. I can go there anytime I want. This is one of my favorite ukuleles. More ukuleles that I decided to keep. And this is the first time I tried to make a case for a ukulele. I hope it works well. Well, so long from New Bern, North Carolina. Hope the ukulele works well for whatever you decide to use it for. And I wish you much success in all of your adventures. So long.